Hello everyone, welcome back to Ziyana Education Academy. So today we are going to learn regarding our YouTube, how it is growing, not going to learn regarding data. So basically, as you already know that I have started my this data analytics and this journey on YouTube channel. It is almost completed 10 days, so I just wanted to inform you guys that how much we have grown here. So as you can see that we have reached mostly 23 subscribers we have reached, and 6.9k we have this views, and 2.9 hours watch time. And then you can see this is our overall dashboard also. Yeah, and guys, so today I will just inform you how we can easily grow in our YouTube. So basically I will just inform you, or I will just let you know 2 or 3 steps, so that you will also you can also grow your YouTube channel. So basically I have updated some of my settings, so just I will inform you here. So as you can see in my slide, in my logo, so here I'm clicking on my logo. As you can see, here is the setting option, so I'm going to click on my settings. So as you can see, here is push notification, so I have clicked on that. As you can see, my analytics achievement policy on, so this all the settings which I have turn on. If these settings are your turn off, then you have to turn on all the settings. By you have to check whether it is turn on or turn off, so you have to turn on all the settings. So this is your first step. And you can see here the comments. So for you, if you will check, so in that your this YouTube studio, it will be selected on important, so you have to click on all. Okay, so please mark my these points. You have to click your comments on all. Every comment you have to know whether it is positive, negative, no matter what, but you have to know what your viewers is commenting on your this uh, what we can say, what we are presenting them. Okay, so we have to know that. So that's why you have to aware all the comments. So that's why you have to click on each comment wala section. And then there are some other options. As you can see, currency. So here there are lots of options for the currency. So basically we will select USD for the currency. Okay, and there are some other options also for the permission, creator demographics, and appearance. So appearance is nothing but your this theme, which is in a black or whatever the themes you want. Okay, so I have selected use device theme. Okay, and this creator demographic is nothing but they have collected one survey, so which I have already filled. So I will in my next video I will inform you how the survey was. Okay, but which I have already submitted. So they have just asked me regarding my some basic details, like how much people have handled this YouTube, and basically what content I'm making on this YouTube channel. So this kind of basic questions. Okay, and my next is that okay, so as here you can see there is a one pencil icon. Okay, so I have clicked on that, and here you can see one camera. Here, yeah, here. Okay, so on that camera wala part, there is a one background image, so which I have updated. so which I have updated a one camera in my background, so you can also change your background image which looks better. Okay, and your this image, your name, your handle name, no, so this should look very easily callable, so that people will easily call your name and remember. Basically it should be easily remember. Okay, and you need to make your this description should be very polite and in details, whatever the content you are going to provide your viewers, that should be present in your whole this in your description. Okay, so which I have made in my description, and in my in links, you can, uh, as you can see in my links, guys. So in the link, no, I have made only my email ID. Okay, so because I have to update my this Insta or LinkedIn ID. So just I need to take 2 or 3 more days. So that also I will add. So basically, for now I have only added my email account, so that you can also add. See, as you can see here, so there is a edit link. So in the title you have to mention your email account, whatever the account you are going to mention, and in URL you have to mention your URL. Okay, so whatever you are mentioning that, so here I have mentioned my this URL, my email ID. Okay, guys. So this is all about these things, and there are some other things which I have learned. So yeah. So as you can see, this is the dashboard. As you can see, this is a YouTube studio. Okay, and in contents you can see all over the things. So basically, I have only I have taken only a 10 days. Okay, so don't judge me or don't compare me with other YouTubers. So it is only my 10 days hard work. So I'm just here to motivate you and myself also, so that it will help me to grow in future also. So as you can see here, uh, here I have uploaded all the videos. I have clicked on the content and I have clicked on view all. So as you can see, and here the sort by option. So most written recent view, like whatever the most recent and most viewed, which whatever the content you want to see, you can click. Okay, and visibility in which what you want. So the public, private, unlisted, has scheduled, draft, whatever, and views, like more than, less than, whatever the views. Okay, and in analytics, as you can see, no, the total your views. So here my views is 6.9K within 10 days. So because I have started my channel in on 17 June, and now today is there's no I think 28 June or 27 June something, and my watch time is 2.9. So I think according to me, so I'm going good, and I also need your support, guys. So I'm not going into this YouTube wala thing, but I'm just going to inform you so that you will also some kind of get motivation, so you can also start your channel. Okay, so this is all about this. I'm just informing you now. Here, this is the content, how viewers engaged. So 6.9% stay to watch, and 93.1% people swiped away. So they have just scrolled up my this videos. Okay, and 462 engaged views and 100 likes. Oh, and 4 plus subscribers. So like my subscribers is increases by 4 plus. Okay, and how my viewers find out the shorts. So by short feeds mostly, and some of them is YouTube search, by some of them channel pages, browser features, other YouTube features, external playlist, direct or unknown, hashtag pages. And in the community section you can go and see there you can here is a conversation, like when you comment, and I can, we like basically a conversation, like we are commenting, no, we will comment a lot, like mostly we will comment a negative or positive like both the comments. Okay, so here you can see the view all. So here I will going to do a view all. As you can see here, this no three are published or sort by. So here there are some kind of options, as you can see, no, where it has a written three clicks. So here I have clicked. Now you can see comment type, so you have to, it should be clicked published. Okay, and response status should be I responded, and the subscriber count should be sub count. So whatever, like if you are a new YouTuber, so you at least need a subscriber more than 100, so you have to first click more than 100. If you have reached more, if you have reached 100, then you have to click on more than 1k. If you reach 1k, then you want more than 10k. Okay, so whatever the category you reached, you have to click on that. So basically I am under this 100, no, so that's why I will click on sub count greater than equals to 100. So I only till the time I want at least more than 100, so that's why I will click on this one. Okay, and I will apply. Okay, so this is all about this, guys. Earn wala we will learn later, because I have not reached there. So this is all about today, guys, and thank you so much for your support. And I will inform you, and I will update you all the things later. I'm just working on that, and I will let you know all my interview tips, all my drive links, all the this my notes, whatever I have prepared, each and everything, my LinkedIn, my Instagram posts, whatever I have prepared, so that it is easy to you guys for preparation of your interviews, your notes. So it will better for you to reach your goals and get a better job in your life. Okay, and wish you all the best, guys, and thank you so much for your support. Wish you all the best.